We have an iPad 6. There's literally glass everywhere. This isn't gonna be fun to fix, but we're gonna do it. First things first, tape. We got our tape on, and somehow it still works. Put our gloves on, turn off our iPad. Now we gotta heat it up and pry open our glass. And we're just prying up like that. We got Alexa with the heat. Don't forget to drop a like, cause I'm gonna be bleeding soon. I have so much glass in my fingers, and a little bit in my eye. Time to change gloves. And we're almost there. We got our glass off. Yeah. Apple loves hiding their screws. There's a screw under there. I don't know if they think they're being quirky or what, but stop it. Lift up our LCD. Hi. Put our LCD aside. Disconnect our digitizer. Transfer our home button. That's done. Now we gotta clean this up. We're gonna take a little break. I need new shows to watch. Comment your favorite shows and I'll check it out. We're back and testing everything out. And we're done.
My friend tries to repair a destroyed Apple Watch for the first time.
So as you can tell, it was totally destroyed. We were trying to pry it open. So at first I was scared. I was like, I mean, is he going to be able to make it? And it looks like he was doing good. Until I started seeing glass. So as he continued to open it, out of nowhere, I saw it turn on. I was like, bro, turn that off. Like, why do you even have that on? Clearly, he didn't listen to me, and he just kept on going and tried to break it open. I was like, are you sure you know what you're doing? So finally, he opened it, and wow, that battery is super tiny. Have you ever seen that? I mean, I haven't. This dude out of nowhere just started playing with the screen like up and down. He then proceeds to use his tweezers to remove the tape and be able to disconnect the LCD. It actually seems like he was doing a pretty good job. He then grabbed the flex cable and moved it to the side. Cool nail polish. So now he proceeds to install the screen. As you can tell, he flipped it over and he was just trying to put those flex cables in. Of course, he put some strong adhesive, you know, the B7000. That's the one they use here. Once he finished with the adhesive, he flipped it over and voila. It looked like he was doing a pretty good job. But was it going to turn on? You could tell he was sweating and he was struggling. I think this device is not going to turn on. Nah, after a few minutes it turned on. It just didn't have any battery. So what do you guys think? Did you like the video?
We have Nintendo Switch. So this guy wants his screen replaced. Why? Well, there's like 2 scratches and he doesn't like that. He also wants me to install this custom backplate, so let's get started. Hit the switch with an unscrew. Open it up. There's so many screws in this switch. That's why I love this mat. You can find it on my website. Remove the micro SD reader. Now we can see the actual switch. Disconnect the battery. Disconnect the digitizer. Now we have to cook the Nintendo Switch. The LCD and digitizer are separate, so we'll just remove the digitizer. Now we can install the new digitizer, being very careful not to get any dust in between the two. The new backing doesn't come with a kickstand or the game reader cover. Install the white backplate, and we're done. I'm gonna test this with never mind.